Hello children, myself Shubhai Patil Kulkarni. I am going to continue the chapter 7 coordinate geometry. 7.2 exercise third question. To conduct sports day activities, to conduct sports day activities, sports day activities in your rectangular shape school ground ABCD. Children, here is a rough diagram of the school ground ABCD. So ABCD is a rectangular shaped school ground. To conduct sports day activities in a rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn. Lines have been drawn. With chalk powder. At a distance of 1 meter each. So the distance between lines have drawn. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. The distance between each line is 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. Along AD, 1 meter each, we have kept flower pots. So they gave 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter. In the same way, first flower, the second flower pot, and in the same way, 100 flower pots they kept along the AD. According to that this sentence, along AD, they kept 100 flower pots. As shown in the diagram. As shown in the diagram. And Niharika runs. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD. On the second line. And posts a green flag. So according to this, we will come to know she is in Niharika. In the diagram you observe she is in Niharika on the second line. AD. 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line. On the 8th line. And post a red flag. And post a red flag. See, breathe runs 1/5 the distance of AD on the 8th line. So the pre-coordinate becomes that. I can find out the pre-coordinate 8th line. The Preet, she is Niharika. And see, Preet, the 8th line, he is running, means the x coordinate is 8. And the y coordinate, I will find out means 1/5 the distance of AD. So 1/5 the distance of AD means 100 divided by 5. So then I am going to find out, I am going to get then 100 by 5 it becomes 20. So the y coordinate of this Preet it becomes 20 children. So I will calculate in the same manner and we will get in that way. And he posts red flag. Red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? The question is, what is the distance? What is the distance? What is the distance between both the flags? I will find out the distance between Niharika and Preet, that is the flag and red flag, this distance. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. Where should she post her flag? Where should she post her flag? According to the question, I am finding the distance between those two flags. Once again, I am going to repeat the question now. To conduct sports day activities near a rectangular shaped spoon, ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown. And Niharika runs 1/4 the distance of AD on the second line. So Niharika's coordinate becomes 225 children, 2 and 25 on the second line, and posts a green flag. She posts green flag. Preet runs 1/5 the distance of AD on the 8th line. So the Preet coordinates becomes 820. Then she posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? So I find out the distance between green flag and the red flag children. So by using distance formula, then if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway, so the distance between those two we have to find out, and exactly at the midway she has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. Where should she post a flag? So by using section formula, if I find out the coordinate of the midpoint and this P, so which is dividing the line segment in the ratio midway means 1:1 and it becomes. So I will find out the distance between these two flags, and I will find out what is the coordinate of the point P which is dividing equally that distance between the red flag and the green flag. So now I am going to find out the distance between Now I will drop this. Now already I know now. Niharika's coordinate way, in which position she is there now. So where she has put this green flag, we can know that is N. Niharika position of green flag is that is 225, and the pre coordinates are 8th line, and that is 1/5 the distance of AD means like this way it becomes. You can write it here also. Will get confusion both. I am going to write it in that manner, and I am going to find out what is the coordinates of Niharika and second line and 1/4 the distance of AD. So now if I divide 4 ones out, 425 is 100. So the Niharika coordinates becomes 225, and the coordinates it becomes 5 ones are 520 is 820. So these are the Niharika's coordinates and the pre-coordinates here. So now I find out the distance between N and P then. So the distance between N and P means the distance between green flag and the red flag children. So by using the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now the distance between these two flags is nothing but that x2 means 8 minus 2 whole square plus y2 means 20 minus 25 whole square. So the distance between these two flags, 8 minus 2 is 6 square plus 20 minus 25 is minus 5 whole square. So the distance between these two flags is 36 plus 25. The distance between these two flags is equal to, so 6 plus 5 is 11, 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 61, it becomes then. So the distance between these two flags is nothing but 61. Root square root of 61 children. Alright now, next. So exactly the Rashmi, she has to put her blue flag at the middle of this distance between these two lines. Not write down this much. Meter. You need to take it in meters, so you can write it in meter. Root 61 meter. Exactly, Rashmi, she has to put her flag over here. You think now, see now, this is Niharika's coordinates, that is 225, and this is pre-coordinates, it is 8, 20, and here Rashmi, we have to find out where exactly she can post her blue flag, in which position. So I have to find out the coordinate of Rashmi. So she is keeping that flag between the ratio becomes 1:1. So now I can find out directly by using the formula. R of x1 is equal to, if it is at the middle, then it becomes x2 plus x1 by, that is 1 plus 1, it becomes m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. So your y2 plus y1 divided by 2 children. So now you substitute the value and find out exactly where she can put that about blue flag. x2 means 8, x1 is 2 by 2, y2 means 20, y1 means 25 by 2. So substitute and simplify in which position she can post a flag. 20 plus 25 is 45 by 2 children. So now you divide. 2 ones are 2 fives are, that is 5. 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 point, that is 22.5. Exactly, Lakshmi, she can post her blue flag in which position? The coordinate of Rashmi flag is 522.5. So therefore, where she can post her at the position 522.5, she can post Chicken poster, blue flag. Children, write down now. Write down children.